How to change the display order of objects in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by Draworder command. It changes the display order of images and other objects. You can move the objects front or back with respect to other objects. Draworder command has following options to change the display order of objects. 1. Front. It moves the selected objects to the top in the drawing. 2. Back. It moves the selected objects to the bottom in the drawing. 3. Above objects. It moves the selected object above the specified reference objects. 4. Under objects. It moves the selected objects below the specified reference objects. See how it works. Here you can see that the hatch is below the red and yellow color lines. Run Draworder command. Select hatch. Select front option. Now you can see that the hatches comes above both the red and yellow color lines. Run Draworder command. Select hatch. Select back option. Now you can see that the hatches goes under both the red and yellow color lines. Run Draworder command. Select hatch. Select above objects option. Select red color line as a reference object. Now you can see that the hatches comes above the red line but below the yellow color lines. Run Draworder command. Select hatch. Select under objects option. Select red color line as a reference object. Now you can see that the hatches goes under the red line. Now we see with images. Run Draworder command. Select the image. Select front option. You can see that the image is comes above the hatch and yellow line. Run Draworder command. Select the image. Select back option. You can see that the image is goes under the hatch and yellow line. Run Draworder command. Select yellow color line. Select under objects option. Select the image. You can see that the yellow line is goes under the image only. Run Draworder command. Select yellow color line. Select above objects option. Select the image as a reference object. You can see that the yellow line is comes above the image.